What is up, YouTube? PIGPEN RC here. So, it is December 26th, 2016, and yesterday was Christmas. So, if you got an RC, please comment down below. But, if you didn't, hey, that's alright. You got everybody here probably has one. So, what we got on Christmas was a box. I already opened it. I know what's inside, but you guys, the viewers, do not know what's inside. So, we are going to open up this box and see what is inside. Let's see. There you go. It's an RC body. It is a 2008 GMC top pickup truck from ProLineRacing.com. It's a unique body. I have a Traxxas Slash with a 2015 Chevy Silverado pickup on it, body on it, and that is my summer vehicle body. That's my summer body, but I needed a winter body because up here in New England we get tons of snow and you are going to need a plow for it. So I do have a plow for the Slash, but I do need a different body so I don't get my other one all ruined, scratched up from ice hitting it, snow, and especially the plow. That's basically what it comes down to. So I don't want that one to get salty either. So basically what we got is a new body for winter, and then that one's for summer. I put that one away. That one has the lights, the sound speaker on it. This one I will get lights, but maybe eventually soon. Possibly the sound speakers for it. All I need is the speakers. I already have the onboard audio part for it. It's a good looking body. Sticker sheet in there. Everything looks good. Now I need to come up with color for it. You guys, the viewers, you leave a comment down below and say or think what you wanna have this body be a color. I already got 3 colors in mind, but I'm not gonna tell you until you guys comment down below and say what you think. That's it for today, guys. PIGPEN RC signing off.